The Ingenious Society of Ants. Ants are among Earth's most successful insects, with over 12,000 known species exhibiting astonishing cooperation and problem-solving skills. They live in highly organized colonies where roles are strictly divided. Workers forage, soldiers defend, and the queen reproduces. One remarkable behavior is their farming ability. Some species cultivate fungi for food, much like human agriculture. Leafcutter ants, for instance, cut foliage not to eat directly, but to feed underground fungal gardens, which in turn nourish the colony. Ants also communicate chemically through pheromones, laying scent trails to guide nestmates to food. If a path is blocked, they quickly adapt, demonstrating swarm intelligence. No single ant is in charge, yet the colony thrives through collective decision-making.